This is Scott Becker with the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. These are 9 of the stories that we're following this morning. It's January 31st, the end of January. Thank you for listening to the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. First, after the DeepSeek rout early this week, the markets have stabilized and point up this morning again. Let's hope that holds. Second, Apple is up a little bit pre-market on solid earnings amid slightly lower iPhone sales. However, midday, it's right about even. Third, Microsoft, which we owned directly, dropped 6% yesterday and may push me back to just index funds. We'll see how that goes. Fourth, Microsoft is barely ahead of NVIDIA in the market cap war. Apple is again the king. Microsoft right in front of NVIDIA right now, and that might change anytime. Fifth, in the toughest news of the day, Walgreens Boots Alliance, for the first time in 90 years, is suspending its dividend. It's down about 11% today. Tim Wentworth, the new CEO of Walgreens, must wake up some mornings and just ask himself why he took that job. All right. Sixth, 2 of the topics we're going to talk about separately on podcast today are the search for self-awareness and the discussion of why physical activity is so mentally grounding and so important. Seventh, IBM just 13% today, a really good IBM. Tempest AI also keeps on jumping. The company that Eric Gofkowski built, it was up 13% yesterday. Eighth, Whirlpool and UPS both got yesterday. UPS down about 14%, Whirlpool down about 18%. A bad day for both of those old legacy companies. Finally, ninth, we're thrilled to report that between the Becker's Healthcare Podcast and the Becker Private Equity Business Podcast, we have now surpassed 22 million downloads. So God bless that. Thank you for listening to the Becker Private Equity Business Podcast, and thank you to Chanel Bunger for all of your help. Thank you very, very much.